Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at techtrader.com. It's January the 6th. It's Monday, January the 6th, and it's time for the daily charts of the day video. Not the best day on Wall Street after a big start, but they did manage to bounce at the end and have a pretty good day. There was a lot of stocks we follow, a lot. I'm going to have show you more stocks than usual today because they're all looking good. AMPX, as you can see, broke out last week and then followed through today with another pop of 20% on 10 million shares. Looks to me like the target now is 596. That's a big move from here. RBE for a week now has been going bonkers. 150 to over 530 to 530 today. You can see that the spike up got into a resistance area looking long term. There may be some additional upside, perhaps 6.5, 7. We'll see. Swing trade CRNT broke out of a month-long consolidation through a double top, triple top. It spiked from 475 to 563, up 84 cents at 557, an 18% gain, 7.8 million. I think we get to 6 and then maybe 7. FUBO had a spectacular day today after announcing a merger of their TV division with Disney. The stock went vertical from 135 to 585, a gain of 300%. Trading after hours at 564 right now, up 4 1/4. You can see there may be a follow-up, if there is, $8 wouldn't surprise me. GFAI in the artificial intelligence group, big spike, right breakaway gap. Buying was a hefty 81 million. The stock jumped all the way up to 388, backed up to 296, still up $1.03, a 53% gain, as I said, on huge volume. Now there is resistance and big resistance. I'm going back for months, back in the 03 and early 04, that says that 440 may be a tough area. RBT broke out through the declining topsline lateral resistance, took out the prior spike high in early November, and right now it's trading up near resistance through that follow through. You might see 15 as early as tomorrow. KITT in the robotics group, spiking for 2 days now, has gone from 151 in 2 days to 765. A hefty volume today, 69 million traded, and it got up to 7.5, but finished back down under 5. Still a nice gain, but a big give back. Careful in here, the stock may needs to back and forth for a bit in wave 4. LAZR broke out of a little mini reversal pattern and went through its moving averages. My target now is 11. MBOT for 2 days has gone vertical along with some of the robotic stocks. This one 115 to 405 in 2 days, right into a resistance zone. I suspect it backs and fills for a bit. MP, one of my favorites in the rare earth area, the second largest rare earth company in the world behind China, double bottomed around 15.5 in the last couple of days. It spiked to over 20. My target's 24 and 27 going forward. NNE in the nuclear energy group, we're going to highlight all 3 of my favorites. This one broke out of a coil that appears into resistance. If it should get to 33.80, this could be high 30s quickly. NNOX, 3 days in a row now, spiking from 7 1/4 to 11 and backed off to 10.09, but it was a good couple of days for the stock. And right now, it's in a resistance zone. We get through here, we're looking at 12.5 and 14.5. And UKK, after exploding for about 3 days, literally from 145 to 73, no kidding, and it's pulled back into the 20-25 range, and today did bounce 5 points. If there is any snap back further, 43 is the target. OKLO, another nuclear energy stock, broke out big time today. I'm looking for a run to get it to high 30s, and then maybe high 40s. And PYCR popped, breakaway gap, and ran into resistance, but I think it extends to 28. QUBT, after coiling for about 2 weeks, is now about to pop, it appears. It did back off late in the day, but I love this overall chart and coil, looking for a pop to 28 and 35. REKR exploded in a week from 78 cents to 231, tripling, and then pulling back for 3 days to consolidate. Today it popped again, 54 cents, 30%, 30 million shares. Follow through targets on this one, possibly all the way up near 4. SEDG, the bottom right hand extended platform, broke its declining top line and channel top and moving averages. And today spiked to test resistance from the late October high that was 19 and change. Today's high 19 even. We get through here, we're looking at a potential run to test the next level of resistance. It comes in about 23.575. SERV, a tech trader swing, spiked today. This is 2 days in a row. It's actually gone from 1340 to 2435, 11 points in 3 days. And it's at its all-time high set in July, but we get through here, we're looking at low 30s. SGMT segment broke out through a key resistance level. We put a swing on it. My target's now 9 and 11. SKYT broke out, wedge, and popped again. We have a swing on this one too, targeting 19 and 21. SMR coming out of a 4-week declining channel after a big run. This is another one of those nuclear energy stocks. Key breakout technically today. Next target, 26.57 and 31.32. VUZI continues to press a long its rising 45-degree angle channel, jumping another $1 or 23% today. Extension target is 6 3/4 and 8. And that completes the charts of the day video, folks. Have a great evening.